Refrigeration HVAC exam practice question set 16. Used to keep refrigerant temperature higher than the coldest part of the system. Answer: crankcase heater. Number 2. How to reduce evacuation pull down time. Answer: increase hose size and increase space temperature. Number 3. How to verify secondary refrigerant flow. Answer: check continuity while manually triggering flow switch during winter maintenance. Number 4. Consideration for lifting a rooftop air-cooled condenser into place. Answer: secured to concrete slab. Number 5. How to check operation of heat reclaim valve. A. Answer: increase thermostat setting above room temperature. Number 6. Location of temperature sensor of makeup air unit. Answer: 2/3 down air supply. Number 7. What's required in Class T machinery room? Answer: fire valve. Number 8. When compressor with TXV trips on overload when charging. Answer: overcharge. Number 9. Why are receivers not used with R410A? Answer: maintain net refrigeration effect. Number 10. When king valve or service valve completely front seated. Answer: pump refrigerant out of liquid line. Number 11. Air source heat pump will not come out of cooling. Valve appears stuck. What to do? Answer: block outdoor coil. Alternate thermostat from cooling to heating and back several times. Number 12. Cause of space heating over pressurized. Answer: bypass damper failed close. Number 13. Cleaning procedure of air-cooled condenser. Answer: adjust pressure setting of washer and aim towards fin outlet. Number 14. After cutting pipe is. Answer: to be reamed and deburred with a tool of dissimilar metal. Number 15. Last question. Secondary refrigerant glycol freeze point is tested with. Answer: hydrometer. Share knowledge, help people, and remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said, "It is more blessed to give than to receive." Here is the link to my blog as well, located in the description below, in the description of the video, sorry. So cheers and have a good one. Till the next video.